Hey yo, what's up, rockers? Welcome to Populist Chats, hosted by Caillou Michelson, Yolanda Bani, Lucy, and Sean Crackle. Do check it out every Monday at 6 p.m. All episodes are shot at Philippi Village, sound mixed and mastered by the Sound People.
Tada! It's the takeover. I go by the name Putfobe, real name Anad Kansula, aka Forbes. Our Populist Chats has featured us today, so let's go, let's get it.
And I am Asiba Mzovas, I go by Asiba Bay, and I'm so excited to be here today.
I am Entle G, Ndingo Entle Wakagama. I am so super excited to be here. I'm with my brother here.
Lord Zizi in the building, Mangana building, Yasatuga.
So how are you guys today? I'm good. I'm good. How are you feeling?
I'm good too. I have no problem, but I'm just excited to just be here today now. I'm just to talk, man, with people and all that.
Are you?
I'm okay. Can't complain. How are you?
I literally just said I'm doing so well.
I'm just kind of nervous, man. That's why I just asked you back. How are you doing?
But guys, in this month of
first time in the
September,
set.
what are y'all doing? What are you getting up to?
I've been drinking because it's been like we recess. So I've been drinking like hella crazy. But yeah, I'm back to school now, back to business. I'm locked in.
Yeah. No, a lot is going on, Gume. A lot is going on, bruh. September is a month that I don't really like, cool, because of personal reasons. But otherwise, I'm good. I'm saving up, and then sometimes getting slosh here and there.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Talking about Umsebi, are you at a place like have you ever
Funny enough, what I do now, should I get into that? Nah, I'm not. Funny enough, I grew up, I was born and raised up in Cape Town in Samora. Abandabayazi Samora, they know how hectic it is in Samora. Like back in 2013, 2014, there was a lot of stuff going on in Kingston. So I grew up in Samora. And so he set up in Samora. I was with my uncle about part in the music because we're like brothers. Okay. So he grew up to actually just get involved with Abantu, Abarong, like gangsters and all that. I'm a Vuran, I'm a Vato. A lot of people know that. So while that was happening, so I was like, I feel like in Funbali police, man, just to make sure by like everyone, but I'm not living that dream because life must, it happens to all of us.
Okay.
Yeah,
I wanted to be a doctor, and I think it came from I hate being sick. I can't stand being sick. So I just wanted to be a doctor so I can heal myself. And then maybe heal others.
Yeah.
But hopefully one day.
When I enter,
Hey, from now, all I know is that I've always wanted to be in the media space. It didn't matter if I'm a journalist, a writer, you name them. So after grade 12, I did drama for 2 years in UKZN. I wasted my years there. Yeah. But I didn't like it because it's a lot of performance, it's a performing arts. I don't like that because it could out of character and I think, or I am here along the way. So the thing about let me try to find something like behind the scenes. So I applied here in Cape Town this year. I'm doing film production as a director.
Hey.
So you're still doing your thing.
Clock it. Yeah, then there's me. And then there's me. Now, up until about grade 3, man. Degree. I think I had this conversation with my father. My father told me that and then I decided I think it's too serious. And then I tried pursuing it and I get up a push and everything. UWC.
Yeah.
Sorry, UWC, Busa push. So
even now, yeah.
It's a Busa push now?
Yeah, people do call it push,
so yeah. Then but then the course, not like course LLP, the exact course, because my APS wasn't born. Hey guys.
We'll see.
So when see and then the better knows about me guys, and then I had to drop out, got in.
Yeah.
But then all in all, life is still good. Life is still great. I can't complain.
Obviously, bruh. Mna ndisela ipolice but nje I'm just making sure I'm locking up izinto ezenzeka ebomini bami, but I'm still locking it up, guys.
No, that's great.
And I feel like we all have different reasons too, as like why suffers
Yeah.
we want to be.
Yeah.
And another thing is, alcohol is their downfall, you know, like groove.
Injalo, bra.
And groove.
And also, while uthitha groove, man, like I just want to ask nje simple questions like, but like, Nina guys, do you have like a groove budget? Nje?
A groove budget.
I don't.
Jai.
Like, is there a specific amount that you tell yourself about, like, whenever I go to groove, this is how much I'm going to spend, or you just dollar what you want?
I got a group budget is not a thing, God. It's a machita. To come a bicycle like in Jan, yabo. As a machita, I was about come up on loan, no, not about you, man. The one. We are near by kids and pay as dean was just pay them, paying. Jalon Jal, to accept Massaman Soselan, I couldn't back to my pageant until class pick up, I feel to have till pick up a tower and nothing, no thing in this one thing in Naziga, Coronazi 2. No, the grand London. It's not.
But the thing I chose is Uti, and specifically, it doesn't have to be like appointed to each and every one. But like Lona Magana Lena, Lona Manelin. We don't bother that, but if ever dilemma limna ngongo and in the funeral seller, I can hit to this up. It is up and Masam so chichwa. And I'm not expecting Moses Bamaga Kupimal and all that.
As for me, ngabana imali for group, but I'm the as by group, but they are called to figure out operation, figure Panshani Choms and Spence Wave. That girls join my tail book and coalition. So I will never have to worry about that.
But sometimes you even go as okay, someone is hosting you.
Exactly.
As not bowler, Tina Melis and
So what a time.
So
your windows in that.
Not being a group budget, I don't even plan band group bands or spend a malin. I know, but when I get there, it will sell a
okay, my city gang, like why you at that now you go, someone hosts you, ne? I host a partner, and then Agbi's like you request to go there. I'll figure partner, the person is not there. How would you feel about that? Like one
being a host is a job.
But like since like say like the set is all done.
I'm a pretty girl, so I can't figure out nobody can also figure out day one. Don't take.
But how do you feel about that betrayal, Lena? Because
like sometimes they do that.
Block like because what the heck?
I have a table. When you get there, it's like, it's full.
Firstly, what is betrayal? How can you define betrayal?
Yeah, let's define
yourself because there's a lot into it about betrayal. You can't say betrayal about who's baban what takati. How can you define betrayal?
I feel like betrayal is a big word, I saw the DT. Okay, let me tell you host this.
Yeah.
So if like he hosts before and whatsoever, I can't call that like a betrayal.
What did you do? Disappointed you?
You're just a shitty person. And I can't associate myself with you. So if betrayal, like in doing cool, you have to do in doing cool for bomb. Okay, that's what.
It's just a disappointment from someone.
If you're dealing from friends, I don't take that as a betrayal. Nah, personally, I feel like I was to betrayed. Let's say in the chat, I'm married. I love this example. And then I have like best friend for years. And then they find out, okay, like she's been sleeping with my man. The chat, we have things together. Or like a business partner. Without me knowing. That's a betrayal.
Like I wanna know when that happens.
Okay, cut them off. Like she said, she blocks them.
Like block, like there's no way.
What's the whole setup? You're making this sound so easy.
Okay, it's not easy. You're gonna go through. You're gonna allow yourself obviously to go through the process. But at the end of the day, you have to cut off that person.
You just have to cut the person off. It's very easy to cut a person off.
It won't help.
So yeah. But at the end of
perspective, okay, like let's say I was married to went dating. It won't help. People are gonna forget about that.
Or you're going to forgive them though.
No, I'm gonna forgive myself, but in big last situations.
So forgiveness,
I don't.
When is this?
No, you don't doing now, Shem. Like, I'm very soft, and I'm just cool and cool. and bust soft as time goes by.
So, sorry to cut you, but like, uxolile, do you allow the person again in your life after?
I believe people deserve the second
No,
chance.
when I'm not, my concept,
That's how soft I am.
Yeah. My concept of forgiveness, but forgiveness is all about acceptance. But when like you're just releasing that when self, it doesn't mean but like I'm gonna dismiss or I'm gonna just let that person. But like I can go so wrong, and I don't want them in my life. But I'm just saying like that power. Let me just forget about them. But let me not just associate with them. But it doesn't take away the fact that they did it. It's there in the history. That's what I'm saying. Forgiveness. Yeah, boom.
Okay, let's say I just forgive. If like this there's nothing then I'm done because like I don't have to forgive you. At least like I'm not. I can't allow them into my space.
How do you do it, Zizi? Like, how do you do it? But like, when you're to a point, but like, you can just give them a second chance to chill.
But not just like a disappointment. We're talking about betrayal, like windows. We're talking about money here.
No, but it's
back in my space, but I don't give. I don't.
Let's say they stole from you. Do you allow them to your place again?
No, the point but no, so as much as ndixolela but xa ndixolele kuyo le undimoshe kuyo andinike access kuyo again.
So what you're saying is you're trying to open another sector for them to actually.
I'm giving you a second chance basically. Open fucker over, then I'm sorry. Then I'm sorry. Oh yeah, then I'm sorry. Then I can't forgive you again.
We build a trust. We build a trust. Somebody like we talk about.
What's up, rockers? It's your girl Temkaji, also known as Lushi, and in partnership with Modisa Production, today I'm here to tell you more about Edu Knowledge Exchange. Edu Knowledge Exchange is a podcast that discusses anything from you being a matriculant, going into university or a college, and also further down to your workplace. It discusses anything that has to do with your degree, the challenges in university, student tips, and also student life. If I was you, from me to you, matriculant to university student, into being the next boss of your qualification, go ahead.
But anyway, guys, let's just like talk about. There's a lot happening in the entertainment sector. Let's just talk about. There's this new trend. You saw people like taking not taking pictures, having pictures with the AI celebrities. Like
I love it.
I did it.
It's dope,
because I don't know how, but like in the time.
I don't know how to, but how did you do all that? Like, is there an app when you go
I just asked my cousin, like, yo, girl, I think Photoshop me with dancing Idris.
You go deal.
Yes, okay. I don't know this, but I can never take a picture with Ghana. I'm a big fan. So since he has because AI will frame and afford to this for years. So
I feel like
no, I didn't do it. I'm just happy that Lando icon and so that I can do because I realized I don't have a picture with my mother, my late mother. So I'm gonna do one with my mother. So it's
but I saw. Yeah, I saw like people, but like there's a hack most like.
Yeah, there's
it's so cool. In a way, because like go be if you have like an insecure wife on the land and they spread when you're cheating.
Oh.
Hey, I'm born again.
No, technology, but again.
Yeah, some people love because we use social media.
Especially old people. Imagine they hypo chatting in a Drake.
Because you body background sometimes but
in the end, people like y'all saw each other.
What we're talking about is celebrities and Google. Like there's something going on. I saw it. I'm not really big on Insta, but I just glimpsed a bit. There were people who were talking pictures of Sin. Nadia Nakai confirms BBL.
Hey.
No, I can't comment on that. You can and this guys talking
and I just want to hear from Nina, like ladies, like wow, what's your views, what you have to say about it.
I followed the show one night. When I saw it, at first I was like, okay, go do whatever makes you happy.
Hey.
But then what I saw, was what she said.
Yeah.
Also,
The reason why.
On
the
the
reason, yeah, because like, what do you mean you got it for like Instagram pictures?
Uti, she got it for Instagram pictures.
It's not that deep. Like she just got it like for the look.
It's not that deep.
the whole
Uzimaza,
process of
uzigune.
it, bruh.
Just for Instagram, bruh.
Making music videos.
Yeah, it would make
Just to
sense.
say, but like 40 likes is got IG.
It would make
It's not even
sense.
like you're getting paid for that shit. But like, big ups to her, no hate.
Big ups to her.
Do her. But
But just like, would you do like a BBL?
no.
Wena.
Why?
No.
Like, okay, like no, nothing wrong to it. But send was a why.
Like
Abo.
anytime.
Bams,
Uthanda ipamps ezinkulu.
Process like over.
Usuthi uyazithanda kodwa zange wanazo ezinkulu. Suthi uyazithanda kodwa zange wanazo ezinkulu.
Oh my. I think
Wena into ungayenza BBL?
No, I've never. It's only because I'm scared of pain.
Oh,
I'm
ke ngawo ndafuna ukuzoxoxa.
Okay, no, into engayenza mina kukuba like one of like my ribs. Kusona ngibane fika.
What?
Kukutsho ne-ribs ngoku na.
Kodwa uthe uyoyika ipain ngoku.
Yena ngayenza if like I were to
If ever like you were to tolerate pain,
Okay.
so. You're saying removing your
Ribs is better
is
than.
less painful. Than
Okay,
getting a BBL?
yeyona pena ngenyamezela because
I'm gonna-
She wouldn't mind
Don't
that. She wouldn't mind
You
that.
want to figure?
Yeah.
Girl,
Not even
now I'll get you a figure right now. Fuck a deposit at Mercy Matrix by October.
Dinga gym god andifuna gym.
Again, the lifty babes.
Like
Ube right,
yona
Jita.
engayenza ezinye nezinye like klingathandi ngembono ezinkulu yabo. So yeah.
The thing is, now I've heard about the process of it and also like how long it takes to heal when when's
She was
the
in
BBL?
hospital.
Yeah.
Yeah, and some other time talking ulale ngisisu oko for like to 4 weeks and stuff. Akwazi noqopha.
But nyani, bruh, they go through the pain, batintini, and then people bash them, and then everyone is a fan.
Yeah.
Everyone is a favorite. That's my favorite girl.
That's how you should like ungamameli into ethethwa ngabantu ku social media yabo. If you wanna do you, just do you.
Yeah, just do you,
But
yeah.
you know what?
Abantu
Also,
bakuthi.
within Diana Kaine, I'm quoting this from what she said, like in one of her diary sessions.
Mm-hmm.
She was like, she was worried about telling her family about it. Because we're feeling like the only time she can tell her family about her going to the hospital should be like a serious thing. Because we must let BBL's not serious.
It's not serious because
So,
she confirmed, Masba.
you
Just
know-
pictures.
So like in things like that is surgery. You
But
must
guys,
think of your family.
They wanna like lebesithethe ba like she could have said wenzela since a performing artist like music videos. Do you think as celebrities like zinazi PA like why was rezinisha ngaloo nto leyo talking about that night?
Because media
I've
trained.
seen the video ka Entlembali talking like saying the K word.
Why?
But I saw that.
Okay, like
Calls me.
okay, what's the into umsebenzi PA like xa uzovela uthethe nje.
Nje.
Okanye it's like a maybe unprepared speech yonke laa nto leyo because there's no way I don't think nayo yalisebenzisa
Like even if it's not a prepared speech or unprepared, yonke laa nto, like how can she just say that, bro? Like that, we are normalizer, or you're making fun of Lantika.
I feel like she was making fun. Yeah, I feel like she was making fun of it because like she said the word
Yes,
but
Delili
let's
is,
still, like what the heck, she had the platform to like embrace her and it was like that's why like I'm wearing weaves because like we know underneath the nesty like what the heck and
Someone
then why
has
Hello, that's why she's wearing the hair more. She doesn't like the hair. She's not embracing the
Yeah,
hair.
I can't eat all
That's
of
why
the
she's not embracing the hair more. That's the whole point. That's why she said the kafir word.
Yo,
That's why she said the K word. Sorry for that.
Carlton hair. Yeah, I think it's Carlton hair.
So she was partnering with the hair
yes,
brand,
she's an
Yeah.
ambassador.
but
Imagine.
she's wearing a wig,
Yes.
and she's talking about having still. Okay.
like she could have just
But the media came back with like a slash, bro.
yeah I feel like she was
And they couldn't apology. That was posted by the.
Yeah, but if you apologize and I understand, but then at the end of the day,
she made a video. She was not apologizing.
Is there
She was just
is there an apology
explaining.
from her directly
I don't
or
think so. I want to go to PR ingenayo ke phaya ke.
late?
PR
Trust me,
ke-
what's going on?
Yeah, ngibona ingenayo ke usekimbalela like cuz like how can you say that? I mean a platform to uplift like black women. Yeah, well, because you know black people fought like even nakothi scammer why singenayo
Yeah.
That's my thing. That's my thing.
yena uzothi still ufuna abantu bafile kanjani about that. I feel like she was ass kissing, I'm sorry to say. And then white people laughed at the background.
Usidelelisa ngabalungu. Cha.
She should have used there are so many terms to like describe it.
Exactly, like strong, beautiful
Like,
hair.
I would never think of saying, okay.
Type C hair.
Yeah.
Type
I
C.
have dreads.
You know, type S, type C.
Type shit.
Ukutsho.
Oh, 4C hey.
Yeah.
4C.
Hey, like we have like different words to use, but But anyways, all I'm saying is
Hayi.
Mna sibamba.
Asungeni.
Nole zami ndiyazithanda.
Yes, when a man, as you should.
managers, the artists, ne? So you've seen the thing with China Manga Kelvin Moom, you know he's big.
Yeah, I love
Yeah.
it. I love me some Calvin Moore.
I
Momo.
love it. Like, and about Bayam Tan, I feel like at some point he's using that platform to become unprofessional. Because there are a lot of like gigs cancellation, angafiki endaweni. Also, kind of no music chef, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Yeah.
I don't really know much about it.
Yeah, but then and there's no but there's a lot going on. Yeah, so what do you think about Lendo Benchilangayo? Yeah, PR team.
So wait,
like,
is he getting bashed because of unprofessionalism?
Yeah.
Or for gig cancellation?
Because I saw
Sorry.
I think so, he was booked in Australia. I think it has but saw like millions.
Yeah, but I'm so.
For cancelling?
Damn.
He didn't pull up. They took it to a court, guys, allegedly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nina. You don't need Jetayo.
They took it to court for that, and then it was millions. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying. Like, like as an artist, team
But then, what are his reasons though? He paid the PR.
I feel like we as big. People need you, people want you. So on a platform, people are gonna be like, you know what?
Hey,
Like you said, but
you
I love music.
yeah, I'm going to push it. Red Bull Naziko and also now it peg up. I know this is skill obviously.
But that always happens a lot, like, with artists in music industry, people have their real fans.
Yeah.
Same thing with what's currently trending right now. The guy Kid Kumar.
Yeah.
That whole thing that I
Case
stand-
it's been ongoing for like a long time. A long time. How do you mean?
I saw the pay guys like saying I saw the pay like his and saying Bana like she's not being cancelled because of feminism. I don't think feminism
Feminism doesn't play a part because
I think
Nama
the
the
only
part of
reason-
feminism.
I feel
Feminism
like
doesn't
the
exist there.
It doesn't, especially like case like Kelly Kumar. It might exist because we have like a women for change and what but Hakuti, it doesn't. Like I said,
cancel culture and then
because
No,
like
I'm
people,
backing up on this one.
if we were talking about if feminism economy like here exists, people gafamba ladies are man and walk say
they're on top because they are there.
I feel like manditi okay lento kakhe likhumalo okay kumalo I don't think usadume ngendlela edume ngayo. It's just
But
that
she's still there, and I got that.
she's there but not because of feminism.
Why? Why do you think she's there? Because of.
I don't want to say things.
Because of. No, I want you to.
But like, okay, let me say it like this. Akasadumanga ngendlela edume ngayo ekuqaleni.
Before this whole
It
Alandika
has
and.
nothing to do with the feminism. Because we
True.
don't know what happened in Gokia Koksenzeka Lando.
She was the only one who was there.
You're not guilty until proven. Ne?
Exactly.
Same as Lendoka ladies ama. She said her truth, asiyas by truth yakhe na okanye components le. But people stood with Ustava were like, but even if like she posts her picture on Facebook, wherever they're gonna come. Uba even namantombazane.
Yeah.
Uba wena uphansi wasilahlekisela ngentonto umculo wethu omsha kwathini. So
I feel like in like as younger Lena, it's just a matter of who's up there, but like who's just up there.
To also back into the it also goes to show the fact that okay, so we're on this thing about a person is innocent until proven guilty.
yeah.
But then how about when Chris Brown came here, did a whole concert,
Feminism,
sold out, women
Exactly
were
my point.
there. But then wasn't he found guilty of those charges?
He was found guilty.
So basically, okay, like basically, guys, you saying that feminism in South Africa is not.
You don't feminism. You don't feminism, girl.
Okay, let me tell you.
Yeah. I feel
What is
like
feminism?
holding to something.
Let me tell you. So, it first, I wouldn't say originated, but it was actively originating in West, right? And it's about equal rights for
Both men
both
and women.
sexes.
Yeah.
Thank you. And that is political, economic, and
Everything
zonke
is
indlela wethu.
domestic or
But
whatever.
kanjani, you know. So that's what I'm saying by now. In that, women are not supporting women if Suzuki, okay, yeah, this happened to Rihanna, but we still love our guy, we're gonna go.
Lenity
support him.
doesn't exist. Same thing. Same thing. Because women, because and rape is a very like sensitive thing to say about umuntu uyaxoka. But people
Yeah.
were so confident to say about I couldn't be you're just trying to thola ukuthi nyani unyanisile but nami ngiyamthanda uSjava like I'm a big fan of
Was Java proven guilty though?
I don't know.
Yeah, well, okay, guys, I get the point that like City, like feminism does not exist and don't. Okay, but I mean like there are people that are actually like who strongly believe and oppose this whole accusation. But Kelly Kumalo is a prime like suspect.
No,
Like,
we stand on the fact that we suspect.
She's a prime suspect.
and then like there are some people who actually like when they say feminism, they're saying that Kelly is not the prime suspect. Like, how do you guys feel
All
about
I'm
that?
saying is
Without like,
Kelly Kumalo is not being cancelled just because kukhona feminism. Akekho cancelled ngendlela yakhe yenza ngayo if the connections but I
Ayidibena ne-feminist, ne?
at all.
Get you.
At all.
Get you. That's fair, Nyani.
Yeah.
But I think like there's people like when there's talks and talks, man. But like other people are exposed to this, other people are exposed to this. Jordan, like we're just trying to like break that divide. But like, okay, we're saying there's no feminism in South Africa.
I landed.
Because in umntwana bayizama baningi abantu bayo imbijana
Okay.
We're working towards it being a
Yeah,
thing.
but
I guess.
I women for
nabantu bayo ingxaki ngamaphiqiphiqi abafeminism hayi ndifuna uyiva abantu bayo ngamaphiqiphiqi.
Like if we were like probably women for change posted that now okay let's cancel the show got Chris Brown because he did this 1 2 3 and he was proven guilty.
Yeah.
But girls were like I won't send yahlanyela ke manje.
And they probably like
Yeah.
the post that
You see?
Yayibona
Yeah,
ke
but
i-feminist ebeziye
And
phantsi
also-
ngethanda uChris Brown the same
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
If ikona from abantu nabambalo but like I call
And people who are actually posting about it, and some of them did attend. Kuchiwe.
number benemba nganzo.
Oh yayibona ke loo nto.
Andizuba i-feminist ndoda kaloku.
it's starting to forget today.
Yeah.
But it's a good time for music, man, in South Africa. Like, so many music projects are coming down. Necessary and Aries, guys. What do you guys think about that? Like, I'm so excited for it.
I only listen to No, thing is,
Hayi.
I think there was no beef kwaseqaleni. It's just fans creating yonke laa nto bana
Image.
like yeah. Bade bayakubona okay mna ndiyi-big fan ka it's like into ka-Cardi B no-Nicki Minaj.
So you think there's no beef there?
I don't think
Aye.
there was a beef kwaseqaleni but yade yenzeka uba ikhona but ke kwaleba okay xa be-explaina bona bathi there was no beef but yabona le fans and then awubona i-tweets uboma ayibani ngathi ndiyaqheleka nam
Yeah.
laa nto but I don't think babekhe baba ne-conflict like both of them baxabana le nto ye-fans of which ndifunekayo ke kwi-rap industry
It
whatsoever.
pushes your music.
Yeah,
obviously.
of which it did.
Keeps people engaged.
Yeah, because now you want to be better than him. Now you want to be better than you. Yeah. But
But
yeah,
they-
I'm so excited for this collab with Usto. That was
It's-
2 months ago. When was I?
No, they confirmed it in August by the Japan project.
Oh, okay. But still, nalapho uzophuma ivesi bekhona abathi okay this one is
This
harder
one is
than
better, this one is
Obviously,
Comparison
that is
all-
bound to
all the
happen.
way.
So-
I mean, like, it has to happen.
Music reaches people. There will ever come a time when SSC and Aries fans like come together and they're
No.
No, it's about so toe to toe.
No. Toe to toe, huh?
Uzoba yilo ba who's better than who kaloku oko. Noba sokhupha ingoma komanyelo bangibani ukubana ogqitha omnye.
Inga ukuthi toe to toe, like ngutho lo umbuthusayo. Why was it toe?
Funa ngithini kanti?
No, it's nothing. We're talking about Nasty C and you
Uvubozi,
mentioned.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, but it's fine.
Talking about music.
Ububunzi.
Yo, guys, I'm missing it, man. Yes, that's some keys.
I've heard Tomago is releasing an EP soon.
Her name is
Tamaku.
Ngase ngiqhubeke.
The last one was a good one. Yabona, imamela.
Sister Hamza, bra. Oleti lethu. It's coming up soon.
Ndrobani 27 ka September ne?
Not really. I'm not really sure, but it's coming up soon, you know. I
So,
see.
I'm excited kule evening.
Tanomzo.
Andikho andiyazi. Ubethe ngathi khona ubhuti. Khayu.
Marcus,
That's Mufasa.
konda iphekayo mfana. Konda iphekayo mfana.
So I don't know if he's featured. I don't know.
But konda yenza apha kule music industry.
What do you think about that, guys?
I feel like guys.
He must like AMC. Yabo?
Masithetheni
AMC.
kahle. I feel like Meliviwe. Caillou Michelson is actually jumping into umculo.
Exactly.
Clock
Vintage
it.
music.
Clock it.
DJ Yon.
Doing different.
Before we clock it, like, I don't know, man. I feel like easy, like, so we industry, like,
Yeah.
You see how it works. Yeah.
And you have like people there about connected and doing. If like we're trying to get bookings, it's gonna be easier for you.
Yeah, we are ever changing, adapting, bra, to easy, bra. As we grow, and also the people that are around us can influence us in a good way. But must born and like, never like, no man, I can do this, man. Let me just jump to it now. But not always say yes, bra. Yona has been there, bra. Yona has been there.
Uyona sise primary yona uyatrenda Facebook. Sise primary yona uyatrenda Facebook. Hayi ntwana. Oh, we are busy.
Those in like on play industry. Yeah, industry entertainment.
Yeah.
Entertainment industry,
I was
music
switcher like let's say with DJ kanye like since une connection so was nabantu like when you're attending gigs like to be like okay yazi ndoni ngakubethe audition bani act.
Iba lula for wena lokho kuba
Yeah.
so usaziwa unala connection and then so usaziwa nala face unala nto.
People know you.
Yeah, people know you so it's
And
easy to accept
also,
you.
yeah, while you on that, Yolanda Pani is actually
Yeah, you guys
out there.
doing the big
Gigs are
things.
acting. She's out the country even Namungo doing that
Oh, talking
stuff.
about Nalondo like she's a
Out the country. Phumile. Oh.
out in the province.
Oh, my wena mfana. Wathakisa umntana abantu wena. Wathakisa umntana abantu wena.
Detective fast, man. No, she's out the province.
Yeah, mfana.
But hey, manifesting, Brian. Yes,
Nah, manifest soon. Netflix, don't New York,
She's not
they
there
get you,
yet.
dog.
Yeah, it's happening, bro.
I feel like there many ways of kwenza like income like imali like utapha ngoko mna ndimaze like
Piano
artist.
yeah, piano producer.
But
Yo.
what doesn't go with that? Doesn't she tap on like all the genres? Like I don't know. I feel like the last time I was like listening to her set, I was hearing like three-step, piano.
Yeah, I feel like it was already there, man. It's just that, like, no one
I think peak yakhe like upopeng piano because ngoko khona ngona adimaze
There's nami ngela xesha lazo tap and gogo nami la xesha ku popa unga la manje mapiano abe kuthiwa tap and gogo na ngela xesha but la xesha le Afrotech peak Afrotech and all that I can't even ngayo.
Mamelo
Which
ngilija.
genre is like doing the most right now?
Jinansi three-step.
Yeah.
Three-step is fighting. Three-step is fighting.
No, it
It's
actually
been
is.
coming. Three-step is taking
I feel like
over.
izodlula mina phinde ngishake piano.
Which one's on?
I think so. I don't know.
And
So what are
three-step
your
is
thoughts again, guys, on like Durban Gogo, like venturing,
two Afrotech.
changing?
I mean, like, it's an opportunity, bruh. It's
Yeah,
Who's
something.
gonna make her money?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because like uzobhukha phobe behlele bhukha like naphesheya uzofika udlala ipiano kokokomos. So i-accommodate
Yeah, and also-
like i-artists zepiano ezibhukiweyo yena angabhukhwa but for i-Afrotech specifically.
And
not
it's
for-
big, that side.
Yeah, big oh Ibiza. Ibiza bakubizela for amapiano mos.
Yeah, coming back to it, but alright.
Ibiza ubizela for Afrotech nendoni.
Exactly. So you're making like a lot of money. I think nami ngihanga u-DJ ngafuneke ndibe yabo.
But now, man, you are the way entertainment. Who knows? Who knows?
Bataza bon. Surprise us.
Yo, out.
Okay, guys. I've seen the thing. The Top of the Star Saga. Apparently, allegedly.
The Beauty and the
Are
Beast.
you talking about the Netflix documentary?
No, I've just seen that like politicians involved, and it makes me wonder why they're always looking so good when they're appearing on set, like at court.
Majebile,
Uyofuna ukutukutuku bahle fonini ngoba kuthiwa ntoni apha bakhoyo. Mna ndibone usisi wakho Nantsika bani Nandipha.
yeah.
Nantsika she's
Dr.
carrying
Nandipha.
sorry Dr. Nandipha. Hayi kodwa nkulukutu. Ngifuna ukuthi uphethe yena zike Louis V purse thingy isipaja nyana se Louis V ngoba isathiwa mos
They were
imali.
fucking name brands.
Yeah, ngoba isathiwa mos imali lezi.
It's still ongoing, look, guys.
that's
I
why
expect
we
babe ngabahlwempu abantu babela. It's still
So do you
ongoing.
guys
I am highly assuming
do you
they're all
believe
involved.
the politicians?
Yes.
Why do you say so?
No, because like
Not that I don't think so, but what do you think?
as much as yeah, we see Thabo Best where he is like sort of a monster guy. Like,
Monster, genius monster.
but yes, other people call him a genius because he was able to pull off scams and do all
Yeah.
these crazy things inside of prison. But then, like,
How did it
think about
actually
how-
happen,
How does
bruh?
he always got away with it?
How did it
he
happen?
always-
Like yonke this whole set, how did it happen? Even if there was no like gongo, even if there was no even like abantu saying that there are politicians involved, or him just like throwing it there, but like no, there's politician. Like why on this whole set, bruh, it just screams, but like there's someone bigger there, because like this should have been like cracked dollar, bruh. They should have been.
True. Because like, how can
I don't
you
wanna
escape
say.
like a prison named Rihanna?
Mangaung is big, bruh.
Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense.
Security, it's tied from British, bruh, Britain, bro. It's tight,
That's why
but
in
they
the
still
city, other
manage to
people
like.
see him as a genius.
Yeah. The three
He is
things
a
is a
genius.
genius. So Indian investor kuwe. Yeah, investing in him, paying him, funding in him, yabo. Because kumbona la conference wa hostile masumjite was about every birthday. Yeah, I was in
He
jail.
was in jail with the umuntu omhlophe apha emveni
Afaka
kwakhe. Was it
jail.
a captain maybe?
Captain.
Was a captain.
It's really funny, man. So I'm going to happy birthday. So when I'm is happy and
Was it that
excited, but he's
la
laughing
launch
at
mos
him.
ne? Is that launch year 21st? That's the whole thing, yeah. It's a kubeka la way mos ne? Is it still ongoing? Why is it still going, bruh? Like
Imagine like
uprisa uthini ngayo yonke lento na brane. What does it say?
Or next year.
Uzukon ba like this whole thing, bruh, is actually like interconnected with abantu like that are actually up there. They're not saying anything about it. As stopwanga like okanye like at least like just be out of commission for this whole Lantika iba iqithe. Because like it's still ongoing and they're still making money. Why?
Because sometimes also people do things, maybe when you do, oh, like because Bamban is actually attending this, let me also attend it. Because there are a lot of celebrities, like Thabo Best.
Celebrities ziyapha celebrity man.
You know, I believe in nobody la fan because Thabo Best must go available. What ban I forgot the name, but what Mutsipe ifani yake. So abantu ba tsalela kambu. When you think of the surname Mutsipe, you think money. Yeah, you think money, so we must attend. And then
So
baba ne
New York,
client that say New York and what in. So ngumdu apa focus ba.
So zinyoke celebrity while they are attending these events nendondoni. Ba nyonyoba na. Are you saying
What you mean?
Okay.
But yeah, like it's so crazy. But guys, Nibuka actually documented.
No, I haven't watched it. I haven't watched
I
it.
There's a
I haven't watched
I
it.
don't. Like,
I've watched it, but I don't like it. It's actually good. No,
are
like
they showing
Babale,
there?
they're actually just talking about the whole ways, like from way back, like
Facebook rapist. I think Bonella.
like umsitamos like rapist,
Allegedly.
rapist ulaweza, and then also
Allegedly,
umeki mosi, kuchiwo mosi, atwa allegedly yiyo mosi.
Okay.
Kubanje le nto ngani?
Talk your
Yiyo mosi. So kwenzeka lewe, and also umsitamos kuko murders that are involved. So they're just taking me through the whole thing. Yeah, Keba like is a master manipulator, wara. Smooth talk umjita, he knows how to get into people's minds and don't. Yonke ngolawe up until he was
What do you think of his side in this situation?
pambe nandipha mas.
Like even her father, like I wouldn't put my father, my
Aye.
parents
At
in that
what
situation.
cost, though?
And like I don't care if like Nika Malini.
Aye.
Never.
Gangster love.
She's like
Gangster love.
there,
Gangster
like,
love.
smiling.
Gangster love. Kalo nicho mos nanzi fantasies zene zothanda amathi that dangerous mos. So unandi uthanda umzi that dangerous ngicela umyeke. Let nandi papi. Let nandi papi.
I don't think Nandipa and yes, but I don't think like Rebecca wabulala umntu kuyo yonke le nto ne.
But nandipha.
I'd be like
Sarah, ngaba guilty now.
Hayi bo.
You are accomplice.
I feel like if you're telling Nandipa mina benzovele nje ndichaza side lam le story and be like okay
Umuntu wakho umthandayo umlahle lahlo.
Nandipha.
at least like if ever by like 12 years in the jail because more they are still
At least 12 years.
No that ngicala ukuchuku but
12 years in
no
jail.
that ngicala ukuchuku why usithi unandipha ucinga la kwabona lo muntu.
Yeah, that's why everyone else, she's a doctor, une family, you beautiful, you influence kids.
So no one would do that willingly because you are born a court by Milan.
Oh, I love you. But okay, wait.
So
Iman, she look best and I love you too, or whatever.
Okay, let me just go with this.
So if Banana will be like, I love you too, and then he kill him to home, so I must help you with it. What do you mean?
The thing is, like, what are you implying? Because no one would do this willingly.
I just knows about her best.
What way?
I feel like
she was forced.
I'm not saying he was.
Fanini, was a moment court, was a bonaka, by court, we are forced to think like Nazela, so ye, Langlo, Kuleki, will not be Loya Boni power and luxurious life goes with Pila, if like in Zalaka bring a pan, simple.
I feel like knows about her best power, so nobody like who's I'm going and doing.
Best of
power and why is like.
But politicians have.
But Ulandiga, Mami, and Yamtandu, Ulaweza, she's meeting, bro. Like you can even like this appearance, like did you see like in the lobby excited in her, bro? She was smiling out as well. Alive.
Yo, right. You're so cute.
What's happening? Yeah.
Be cute. When goes because better than another woman. You better than I am. You born.
Lay force and
force.
I need to force you by I call in the guys.
So in like indoor.
I can do Mazana no Mazalonda.
I mean, like, go wrong with best, but like, go your uncle and Dolena Nina Nibanaz don't Unandi Payana Masan Kalin, Shem, Bam Manipaline, Bam.
I call Andalea, like the luck guy is a manipulator. That's the end of the story. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Sister Baron.
Sit.
Now laugh of less Tracy.
Sit. I'm my daughter all the way.
Yeah.
I'm a bamboo piggies on him.
Eat champile. But
I know Lenny told that I can was a name in the land.
In the one girl Nandi Pagay, Kakausen, I cannot be again. In the only known again.
So technically never.
And so, what do you think of this thing by new role? Like men can take our surnames?
Not in my books.
Why?
Thank you, Ente. Oh my God. The kind of man now, no large Ente.
Always to come like as my man.
Yeah, at least there.
Yeah, that makes sense.
At least there.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I feel like my cousin you just know what you want. When it's doing that, go with the flow. Cause tell me if like Nyan can say just because you feel anyway, it's okay. I mean, I'm changing kids again.
Why?
No, man.
I mean, like,
isn't
they're born we up. I mean, like, it's okay.
That's good. The way yes, good. Then you change fun. It's not good if we indoor to define your mfazo more than when.
Exactly.
She has power over you. Yeah, she has power over you.
I saw Sinto
Eso.
I saw Sinto Eso.
Aye.
I turn it as new. I like.
Kusacholo ndo man thathu mfazi.
Now
Kanzo banefani yakhe.
Isinto sisinto for you.
Isinto asidlala asidlali.
Walahla nefamily ezuba ila family yethu. Ulahla abantwana bethu ngabo.
Yeta.
For fathers
Ngicacela ba ndimisile mina ngoyifana yasekhaya ngoku. Andiyazi uthini.
Yebo uyayiqhawula.
What's the point? Like, what's the point? Like, what's the point?
But gender neutral, don't. It needs man really. I mean, like the whole idea. I'm not bashing it, but personally, I'm saying and pambene kum anatilo and even. But some people will actually feel like like they're losing power to some sort.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm be neutral. I understand it double barrel. It's fine. They're like be fine and be yomi. That's cool. But you're bangoku like na is in
the becoming Mr.
Yeah. What? Niggas.
Niggas, papa.
It's crazy.
Cute, you know, to know about K.
But yeah, man. On the 4th of October, we have the grand opening.
Popula's Hub. Popula's Hub. Yeah.
It was so hot, so you have to be there.
You
Pull
missed
up,
out.
pull up, pull up.
You are missed out. Can't miss out this time around. Can't miss out this time around. Can't miss time around.
Big guns.
Guys, boys, almost.
You purchase your ticket and then Usborn and get to see
Populous.
us rocker.
Since it's a bit hot too, make sure you copy your crop tops. Yes.
Imagine this.
It was go Malingana.
Wow. The 1.4, the whole set.
1.4 tracksuit.
1.4 E tracksuit.
1,400 and then the tees.
7.
500.
550. I have 550 ITs.
And then the entry is free, by the way. Popula's Hub, Patola Nice, guys. Nize ngobuninzi benu.
You just need to look pretty.
Beyazi ke. Hard all the way.
260 tracksuits 1.4.
Caps.
400.
I think it's very depressing, but you can link, just go to the link.
Yeah,
So
make
when you
sure-
get to the okay. Thank you so much for having us.
Kucha. Now we find up on the spot and everything.
I still have a big bagger here, fat
Same.
one from Salt and Pepper. So do check it out. Okanye uziyele wena ngokwakho ekhaya elitsha uyobabona.
Yay!
So
Thank you so much for the episode.
Take over complete.